Hi, my name is Louise. The person holding camera is Kirsty, and we are from Art of Love. We are a wedding planning, decoration, and event props rental company. First and foremost, I want to thank you for tuning in and thank you for making time to watch us what we're going to discuss today. Today, this topic is rather rare because I think this is a topic that hardly anyone talked about it. Probably sometimes I think it's somewhat underrated. That's what I would think. And of course, this topic is actually can save your wedding. What is it? This is props. Props, the word itself may not sound glamorous, but the value it can give you is really tremendous. Take for example, wedding decoration. Wedding decoration, a lot of people take flower as very important, and I got to agree, I love flower and they are to die for. But for a decoration, flower without props is not complete as a decoration. Why? Let me demonstrate. This table with this flower, this can be a decoration if this is what you want, but what do you think of this? Maybe a little lonely? Let me see what I can help to enhance a little bit. I will take this oriental vase for example. This vase is one of the props, and it is a props. With this flower, put it in, artificial flower and mix with dried flowers. This then can be a table flower posy. This can be very simple, you're looking for something just one flower posy, but I think this can be enhanced further. Let me show you how. Okay, now you have a complete 3 table posy. What vase are you using? We are using our limited edition oriental vases. They come in different sizes and color. This is specially picked from us and they are imported. This can be a very nice table posy, I would think, and this table can fit for about 4 people if you want. So I think this is still not enough for me. I would like to add more things to it to make it nicer. A different height to it so that it doesn't look too flat. That's what we want for decoration. And these are artificial candles. Mostly we would suggest artificial candle also is because certain hotels do not allow us to use real candles. So, and this is also environmental friendly. I'll add this Chinese knot just to enhance the oriental elements. This can be for home party or maybe birthday celebration, maybe a cozy celebration at home, or even for a wedding itself. So I think this is simple and easy to set up, and they are very affordable. And the best news is that all of these are rentable. Yes, you heard me right. All of these are rentable at a very affordable price. Okay, so I hope that you like this decoration. But if you prefer something that is not too strong of a color, something softer, something more elaborated, I can show you as well. Let me show you next. Hi, so this is something that's more elaborated. If you prefer something with more floral arrangement, this is something that we would suggest. This theme is combination of pink and white and is one of the popular theme that most of our couple would request. Why? Is because it gives the romantic vibe to it as a whole, plus elegant feel to it. So all these are artificial flowers. Of course, if you prefer some fresh, we can always arrange. We carry premium grade of artificial flower. It's so real. Look at this. It's so real to many that they can't tell it's actually artificial. So all these are also we carry from the stand to the vases and to the candle cup holder. We also have a lot of charger plate, or alternatively people call it show plate. This is actually very suitable if you have a rose gold theme or even a pink theme itself. So it's very, very nice. Moving forward, we also have cutleries. We carry a lot of cutleries. This is actually suitable if you have a home party or even a very micro or small wedding at home if you want to. We carry from fork to spoon to knife to even chopsticks, plates and many more. You can always come to check out what we carry moving with us. This is also a tablecloth. We also carry a lot of tablecloth. This is one of the premium tablecloths that we would suggest for this kind of theme. This is embroidery and it's gold in color. Certain embroidery is gold in color. This gives you a very elegant and rich feel to it as a whole. Yeah, this is also suitable for oriental theme if you are looking for something similar. Of course, we carry chairs as well. These chairs are Tiffany chairs, some call it chivalry chairs. We have gold color and we have a lot of them. This is very suitable even for any occasion, I would say. So isn't this a dream come true if you are looking for something that's very romantic and very nice at the same time? So yes, do come and check out how much this is. Stay on to the end of the video to find out. Now you see how we have used props to enhance the entire decoration. You got to agree with me that flowers alone is not enough, and with props it actually complete the decoration as a whole. Many may ask, why would you want to rent when you can buy? Well, you can buy as well if that's your option. But having said that, looking at what we have in the market and sending them over, number one, it will take time. Number two, what are you going to do with the props after you have used them? To many of our couples or even clients, sometimes they think that they buy one time, it's okay, but after that they don't know what to do with it. Then it became a dust collector, which makes them very frustrated with them because they just feel that, you know, it's just a waste of money. Number two, options. Yes, they may have a lot of options online, but you know, when you choose, it takes time. You can always choose as well, but when you received it, the prop itself may not be as what you expected it to be, as in the quality. Why spend so much time sorting and receiving something that is not up to your expectation, but having option to see in person what exactly is it for your use. Of course, when it comes to all this, it leads to saving the money. Saving the money, at the end of the day, it will lead to saving your wedding. We carry a wide range of props, be it in quantity or in types. We carry more than 500 types of props and in quantity of 20 over thousands of quantity. So this is definitely giving you a confidence that we are serious in what we are doing and we choose only quality items. Whether you're looking for a decorator or even just props renting itself, for any occasion at all, you are at the right place. We have rental packages as well, be it customized or DIY. You can always speak with us. So once again, I want to thank all of you so much for taking time and watching us discuss on this topic, and we can't wait to speak with every one of you.